what can I do? How can I approach the situation when I receive an IP complaint? You receive that from a brand that didn't want you selling on the listing. Unfortunately, that's happening more and more, it seems like, as brands and even competitors try to enforce selective distribution and kick other sellers off of a product. There's a lot that you can do on your own that makes the process a whole lot easier and less expensive. And the first thing that I would recommend would be try to reach out to the brand owner, try to apologize, and ask them to remove the complaint. If you can get a retraction, that makes the whole process a whole lot easier. The first thing you want to do is close the listing. Make sure you're off the listing while you're trying to figure things out. And in fact, that's usually good advice for most issues that you would encounter on the platform. For most performance notifications that you would receive or any kind of ASIN restriction, the first thing you want to do is close the listing. And I don't recommend deleting the listing because a lot of the time, the best way to fix the problem could be to edit the listing, and you can't edit the listing if you've deleted it. So if you need to edit the listing, the best process would be to close the listing. You might be able to be approved to sell on it later. You might just end up deleting it later anyway, but you want to leave yourself the leeway to be able to edit it if need be. You would want to document every single attempt that you've made to reach out to the brand owner, because you want to be able to explain to Amazon that you've done everything you can. You've contacted them via email, you've sent them 3 emails, you sent them on these dates and at these times, you've reached out to them through their Facebook page, you've reached out to them through their website, you've called them. You cannot get a hold of them. You want to be able to document all that so you're not just saying it.